What's up, guys? Do you got a G-body? Do you want to put better wheels on it? Then you probably need some of these long wheel studs. And that's what we're doing today. Boom. Today we are installing long wheel studs on the back of a 1980 Monte Carlo. Check it out. So, that guy. Yeah, hammer these out. Woo! That's how you do that.
Perfect.
Oh, there we go. Woo! Oh yeah, that looks like gear oil, I guess. It's not that bad. So, two weird things to show you. First one is this actual metal chunk missing out of the corner of the carrier, and then you got the number stamp there, 21 into 48, like 21.48, which will be the gear ratio. Okay, so I got the little screw out, I got the big center pin out. Now I just got to push the axle in a bit, and you should be able to see the C-clip that I need to pull out. There we go, just went in a bit. There's the C-clip. Boom, there's number one. Now this axle will be able to slide out. One axle out. Now I'll do the same thing on the other side. Slide it in, pop it out. There we go, and a little bit. You get the C-clip out. Now remember which side is which. That's the left side. The other one is the right side. Now send this axle back out. There we go, both axles are out. Right on, now we can put the studs in and
Yeah.